Today I am bringing you a recipe of when I accidentally discovered a cookie recipe from when I was trying to make a pastry.
That batter's good just on its own. Really good. Yum. I just want to eat the batter. Remember back in the day when you used to eat the cookie dough? It's good. I feel like I should take a little bit out and take out my little adult easy bake oven and throw one in there and see if I can make a cookie out of it. Maybe I will. But I think I should steal some of this dough, this batter. Because I'm telling you what, it tastes like a cookie. Something about it. Okay, we're going to bake that. See what happens. Nobody will ever know. We're going to cover up that divot. Nobody will know. That's what we got going on. 2 in cups, so they don't go anywhere. 1 to see how far it goes out, and 1 in the cup has the jelly on top. So let's see what we get. 350, and we are going to bake it. You guys, it's like a soft little cookie. I wonder how it's going to taste. I'm super stoked. This one's got me excited. The one with the little fruit in it. I freaking hope that these taste delicious, you guys. I want to bite into it right now. It's really soft, but who knows what it's going to be like when it cools. I don't know. I got to keep my hands off. I might have just did something good. It's flattening. This one's fallen, but I don't care. It's a cookie. This one's not, look, that one's not falling, but that one with the jelly's like starting to flatten. But do y'all love thumbprints? I used to love those thumbprints with the little jelly, with the little chewy jelly. I like that chewy jelly. And look, I'm so excited. It didn't even spread out. I thought I needed something, but I don't. My master plan is working. Move over, Keebler. So let's take these out of here, see what we got. Oh, I think I just wiped the whole top off. Whoops. Okay, maybe that one's not such a good idea. Yeah, if you bake them in here, it kind of sticks. So it is more like bread. I wonder if I put that. Good, though. Look at that. This is the way to go. Don't put them in that. Put them in that. I just want to scrape my teeth across this. I'm going to end up eating the paper. I don't even want to share it with my husband. But I really should, just to be nice. I can hear him back there snapping his gum like he ain't ate in a week. Snapping it so loud you could probably hear it. It drives me nuts too. Why's he got to be the loudest? I don't get it. It's like he's trying to outdo himself every time he pops a bubble. I mean, I don't care if you pop a bubble, but do you have to have people in China hear it? Gets on my nerves. If you pop a bubble and my ears ring for the next 10 minutes, it's too damn loud. That's all I'm saying. I can't even wait for these to cool anymore. I am so excited, actually. This video didn't even start out like this. But
hey, everybody.
Okay, so I got the pastries.
What happened to that?
Well, don't look at that one. I touched it. Look, I put it's ugly.
You touched it so it deflated?
No, I had the apple.
What was on your finger that made the middle like that?
Listen.
You touched it.
It is ugly. You can show them. But I had the...
Look, okay, people, look. She said, I touched it. Okay, look at this. Look at the center. Did she not touch the center and it did that? I don't know. You be the judge.
Listen.
Put your comments down below.
I was so excited because I made the pastry.
This one hasn't been touched.
Listen, don't touch it.
That one hasn't been touched.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
It is beautiful.
She didn't touch the center. Look
well, listen, I was experimenting. I made 3 different kinds.
See? Look, this one she touched, this one she didn't.
Okay, this is how... Here goes. Listen, I put the jelly stuff on top that I'm putting on the pastries. And so when it got out, I thought that it would be a little more dry, and I touched it, and then it all came off on my finger. And I don't even know where it went. Like, it disintegrated.
Was that from lotion or something?
No, it was lotion. That's kind of a little bit raw. But I'm eating it anyways. I don't care. I think it's okay. It's just, I mean, it baked.
I thought you put butter on it.
No, I don't understand.
But you just said I touched it.
Well, the apple stuff disintegrated. I think that if you did it like that, you would have to maybe put less of the jelly stuff on top. And then you'd maybe have to cook it a little bit more. But we're going to move this one to the side. Okay. But I got to take a picture of these. Because I got to make a whole video just on this one.
She touched this one.
I touched it.
What did your parents tell you about touching things when you were growing up as a kid? They come and slap your hand. Don't touch it. Well, look what happened.
They never said that to me because I was a good kid.
Look what happened.
I wasn't a jerk.
You used to tell us that.
Oh, you were a little jerk. I wasn't. I listened.
I wasn't a little jerk. I was a little S-H-I-T. I'm not going to say the word. I'll spell it.
Everybody knows.
Don't forget that one.
I'm not taking a picture of that one.
I want you to take a solo picture and put it on there. She touched it. I touched it.
Mm-mm. I got to tell you a story. Okay.
Want to hear? Here goes.
Well, here goes. All right. You haven't even eaten any food yet. Why are you already farting? Must be even Stevens. Cut it.
I smelled it the day before.
That's up.
We're having a good show.
I give up.
You don't give up. Here, so you can leave those like that and then put that one like that.
Nobody needs to. We're just going to eat it and just get rid of the evidence.
Okay, split it.
Okay, so I got to tell... Alexa, turn off the alarm. So this is the story behind the cookie. So I was putting...
She touched it.
When I think about you, I touch my...
Cookie.
When I think about you, I touch my...
Cookie.
Okay, so anyway, I was putting the batter inside the container to cook it, inside the pan to cook it in the oven. And of course, I had to taste it. And then I thought, man, it certainly tastes an awful lot like cookie dough. And it was giving me chocolate chip cookie dough vibes without the chocolate chips. And so I thought, I got to reserve some. I got to steal some so that I can take it and put it in this and cook it like I do a cookie. So I took this batter out. Seriously?
You guys hungry? Huh?
No, they eat at 6 o'clock. It's 4.
He was pawing at me. Hi.
They're pawing at you because they're dogs.
You went up here? You want me to hold you?
So, wieners. You don't get a cookie. So, that's why this came about. So, I wanted to cook it 3 different ways. I put 2 of them inside these because I kind of thought they'd just go into a blob and 1 of them without. And the one that I put without turned out the best. So, now I know we can cook them as cookies. So, let's taste the one I touched first. Oh, no, not you. little raw, but it's good.
A little raw.
I get the apple hit on that though. So I think it's good. Okay.
I'm gonna put you guys down. So you
Yeah, we gotta do a real taste test. I'll let you have the bigger one. We could put a little bit of. Now I'm thinking
They're moist.
They are moist. These would be good, like with your coffee. They're very moist, but I'm thinking maybe I could put that. What are we doing here? Oh, you gave him a show. Show him the inside. Get right up in there. Let him get right up in there. Angle it down. Vogue. 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 I think it's good.
If you get some of that icing that you made, put like a little.
Oh, well, there's icing right in there.
Oh my.
Open it, ask and you shall receive.
That's
it, baby. That's what I put on the pastries. There's a little pumpkin pie spice on.
Oh.
No, I like it without. But even a little bit of powdered sugar on top, or powdered sweetener, I think it's so good.
Overpower it.
It's good.
You only made 2?
Yes. I'm like, damn, if these turn out, I'm going to have to make more batter, and they're good.
I thought you made a whole batch.
No, I just told you the story.
You were out here.
You were too busy playing with the wieners to figure it out, to listen.
That sounds personal.
It is.
Heard you out here banging and clacking and mixing, and one touched, and then 2 good ones.
Well, it was still good. It just looked ugly.
Look, she's screwed.
It's that good. It's good. I like it.
I would say that this is a success.
Oh, yeah.
They almost tasted like, what was it, the vanilla wafers in a way?
I just know they're delicious.
Right? You agree
Yeah,
with
a
me?
little bit. If we could get them stiffer.
By Nabisco.
If you like a soft cookie, that's for you. All right, everybody. We will catch you again here next time. Bye. All right. I love that. It's
The
so
video
good.
or the cookie?
The cookie. What'd you say? The video?
I think it's going to be a good video. I think it's going to be a good video.
That's going to be a good cookie.